Hello everyone. This is Ritzel Loredo-Rectra. I'm coming with you hot on a use case. Okay, client asked me, how am I going to import a quiz page from my ClickFunnel to Go HighLevel? So this is the steps. All right, this is the solution that I gave him. All right, first let's go to the page. This is his page. This is the ClickFunnel page. It is asking the team to move to or get imported into the Go HighLevel. So this is the quiz itself, right? Okay, so you just have to answer and all that stuff. So what we need to do is go to Go HighLevel. Go to your funnel. So I have a test funnel here. I created a funnel, which is test funnel. I'm sure you know how to create a funnel, right? You just have to click new funnel and then put the name here and then create. And then inside, you will then add the steps. Okay, so in the steps, you add new steps from here. Put the title of the step. Say for now, let's just say test 1. Okay, and then you then have to paste the ClickFunnel page inside here. Okay, make sure that the ClickFunnels is shared. Okay, the link is you share the link. Okay, and then you click the I confirm that this page either belongs to me or I have permission to use these assets. So just click this tick box. Okay, and then create funnel step. All right, so let's wait for it to load. So while it's loading, right, only some elements will be not all the elements will be important in here. So as you can see here, the quiz itself is not imported. Okay, it's not here. So what the workaround here is for us to create the quiz inside the Go HighLevel. How do we do that? So we go to sites again, right? And in sites, there is a feature called quizzes and then builder. So we go there and then we click the add quiz. All right, so and then we will just then mimic this. Okay, we'll just recreate this quiz inside the quiz builder. So let's do that now. Copy that, and then what we're gonna do, we're going to use the single choices. So this is the button, right? Okay, then we click the element itself and then we change the question. Question is here, and then in here, right, since if you can see they're small, right, this is like similar to form builder, right, when you can set up or choose the box width. So play around with this one. The advanced setting is where you can set up the label font, you know, the size, the font weight, and then the color. So it's all in here. If you were able to do create a form before, this builder should look familiar for you. All right, so that is the question, right? So we added a question. Let me just exit that. This is the question, and then we're gonna add the option here. All right, so let's say this one. No, if I click that one, okay, copy. I didn't click, I just copy it, right? And then next one, okay, and the next one, it's option 2, and then option 3, and then option 4, and so on. Okay, let's just say there's only option 3. Now, say we want to duplicate this one, add another. Let's see if we can duplicate. No, we cannot. Okay, add another page. Then we do the same here, drag and drop. Okay, and yeah, just do here, option 3, probably just do like this, option 2, something something, and option 3, blah blah blah. Okay, and then question here, question number 2. Just to, I'm doing this just to give some context. Okay, and then we save it. All right. Once it's saved, it's now time to integrate. So when we integrate, either according to the page that we're trying to mimic, right? It's embedded in the page itself. So that's what we're going to do. Okay. So this is the code to embed. We just need to copy, right? Then we go back to the funnel itself, to the funnel page, which is step 1. Okay, and then we add a column, and we add the element where we can insert the code, which is this one. All right, once you click this, you can open the editor here and paste the code, and then save it, and then save the whole funnel. All right, once it's saved, we can then preview. Right, when you click preview, just wait for it, it's auto save, and preview. Okay, it's not doing the preview at the moment. Okay, there we go. And this is what it's going to look. This site is part of Facebook website. All right, wait for it to load. There you go. Okay, so the quiz that we've created is inside here. Okay, let's choose one, then choose 2, then yeah, where's the submit button? Okay, that is the submit button. It was just not showing. All right, on the screen, and this is the result, because we didn't set this one up right earlier. So but what I'm trying to say is this is how we can import the quiz page, right, into Go HighLevel, right? Okay, I hope that helps everyone as well. And yeah, have a good day. Do like and subscribe to my channel so that we can help more entrepreneurs. All right, see you, Bam Bam, with the next yeah, video.